Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to change the ringtone on your Oppo Reno8 Lite 5G. When you have used your Reno8 Lite for the first time, there is a standard ringtone, and everybody uses this standard ringtone. So everyone with the Oppo Reno8 Lite, when somebody calls, they will hear the same ringtone. So perhaps it's a good idea to change the ringtone. So how do we change the ringtone? We go to settings and then to sound and vibration. And here you can see we can change the volume and so on and so forth. And here you can change the ringtones. Here ringtone is at this moment calm. I will say allow, and this is the calm. Here's tempo. Here's jazz, house music, and here's electronica. Okay, I will choose electronica, and then you can see, okay, electronica, right, it's now set up. And you can also change the notification sound. At this moment, it's emerge. So perhaps this is emerge, ripples, overtone, and other ones. So I will leave it at emerge, and you can also choose custom files. So select from files if you have another tone that you want to use. Interesting here, you can also for your ringtone select an MP3 file which you have on your device, or you can also use a recording. So you don't have to use the ones that are installed. You can also use a soundtrack or another music file that you have. So this is it, how you change your ringtone on the Oppo Reno8 Lite 5G. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you the next time. Bye bye.